Creating a digital scrapbook using Canva. I'll show you how to make this scrapbook in the easiest way. In Canva, click on Create and choose the custom size. The size of the scrapbook will be 2160 into 1350 pixels and create a new design. Now change the background color from the white to the whatever color you like. Now go to Elements and search for blank notebook. And choose which you like the most. Increase the size and search for grid. Increase the size of the grid and adjust according to the size of the notebook. Now reduce the transparency to make it look realistic. Duplicate it and place it on the other page. Now upload any cute background and place it. In the elements, search for Polaroid frame and place it on the page. If you don't want to follow the steps, then I have attached the template link in the description box. After opening the link, all you have to do is upload your photos from your gallery and start adding your pictures in all the frames. Double click on the pictures to crop it or adjust it in the frame. To make it look more cute, go to Elements and search for white doodles. And start adding these elements like stars, heart and crown, etc. Now go to Tools to draw the outlines. If you want to post this scrapbook as carousel, then after completing the editing, search for image splitter. Upload your image and choose the column as 2 and click on split image, and it will split your image into 2 parts which you can post on Instagram. So that's it for the video. I hope you like this video and make sure to hit the subscribe button below.